It's another day. It's another three things. Today, we're going to talk about the three virtues that set you apart in leadership. Now, bago lang tani agi o sa kakalamidad. Bagyo, aduna patoy linog. Og tungod ni ini, diri nato nakita ang relevance sa usa ka leadership. Now, ang leadership dili lang importante aning mga higayon na apan importante also diha sa ato ang tagsa-tagsa ka pamilya, sa ato ang trabahoan, sa ato ang mga simbahan, sa ato ang society. Now, karon atong tukion ang kining tulo ka virtues na kung makaingon ka na kung aduna ka niini, you are different from the rest of the leaders. Now, let's begin. Number 1, humility. In Matthew 23 verse 12, it says there, whoever exalts himself shall be humbled, and whoever humbles himself shall be exalted. Now, kining mga banggiitan ng mga leaders, they don't just showcase themselves. Ang ilahang intention o ang ilang tinguhan na naagid silang una-una kanunay is to serve others. Now, humility allows you to listen, learn, and lift others up rather than demanding the spotlight na diha makatutok sa imuha. Sa latod ng pagkaistorya, dili ka kinahanglan sikat. Ang humility builds trust. Asa magagikan? Sa mga tao na imong ginaserbisyohan, because they will know that you truly care for them, and it's not just about the possession na naa ka. Number 2, integrity. In Proverbs 11 verse 3, it says here, the integrity of the upright will guide them, but the crookedness of the treacherous will destroy them. Abi nimo sa karon na mga sitwasyon sa problema sa atong government, labi na aning pagsulpot sa mga nagkalanlain nga mga anomalya, diri na to makita kung unsa ka importante ang integrity. Now, integrity sets everyone apart in leadership. Kining integridad, dili lang ni kung unsay makita sa tao, apan diri ni siya na test pag-ayo sa mga panahon na walay nagtanaw. Kay kining integrity allows the person to do what is right, even if there was nobody looking at them. And they are going to do it no matter what the cost. When your actions and decisions are grounded in truth, people will follow you with confidence. Integrity means keeping your word and standing firm on values. Dili mo shift kung unsa may convenient lang. And lastly, number 3, courage. In Joshua 1 verse 9, it says here, have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be dreaded or be dismayed, for Yahweh your God is with you wherever you go. Now, courageous leaderships face challenges head on. Dili ni mulikay, dili ni mutago, muatubang ni. And pinaka-importante, kini nga mga type of leaders make tough decisions without compromising what is right. And because they do that, they inspire others by showing faith over fear. Courage doesn't mean that there is an absence of fear. It means choosing to do what's right in spite of it all. Now, kung atong pamalandungan kining liderato or leadership, just remember this. Leaders who embodied humility, integrity, and courage don't just achieve success. They live a lasting legacy, not just for the present generation, but in the coming generation as well. Till next, bye!